Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Programming World. So in the series of learning programming in C, today I am going to talk about constant. In the previous video we have discussed about the first part of C tokens keywords, but now we will see constant, who is the second part of C tokens. Okay, so let's get started. So here first of all we will see the definition of constant. As well as I think everyone will know about constant, that value cannot change. Okay, so here I also write down constant is a value that cannot be changed during execution process of the program. Okay, or in other way we can also say constant is one entity or an entity that refers to fixed value and it cannot be modified, means it cannot be changed. Okay, entity or value both are same word. Okay, like synonyms, and changed and modified both are same like synonyms. Clear? In other word, if you want to say that constant are data values that never change their values during program execution. Okay, so you can say the definition of constant in our own words. Okay, but the same thing, it cannot be changed. Okay, clear? Now we will see the division of constants. So here the first one is numeric constant, second one is character constant, third one is string constant, and there are also two parts of numeric constant. First one is integer constant, second one is real constant. And there are also be three parts of integer constant. First one is decimal, second one is octal, and the third one is hexadecimal. So let's see some short discuss about these parts of constant. Okay, now what is numeric constant? Numeric constant consists of numeric digits. Okay, they may or may not have decimal point. Okay, these are also be positive and negative both. Okay, but it's remember that the default sign is always be positive. Okay, and numeric constant should have at least one digit. Okay, now what is character constant? So a character constant is a single character that is enclosed within single quotes. Okay, like here one single quotes and we can write in single quotes any invalid character. Clear? It is called character constant. Now let us see about string constant. So a string constant is enclosed within double quotes. Clear? Double quotes. Okay, and any invalid character like float and any other character. Okay, so we can also write down is parenthesis. So I hope these three parts are clear. Now let us see about integer constant and real constant. So what is integer constant? So in integer constant we have to know about decimal, octal and hexadecimal, which have included base 10, called decimal constant, means 0 to 10 base. Clear? It is decimal constant. And which have included base 8, called octal constant, means 0 to 8 base. Clear? And which have included base 16, means 0 to 16 base. Clear? Called hexadecimal constant. Clear? So now let us discuss about real constant. Real constant means floating point constant. It means that like 0.5, 5.3 ... which included have floating point. Clear? called real constant. So I hope guys constant and division of constants are clear. So as well as we know, the third type of C tokens is identifier. So in the next video we have discussed about identifier. So see you the next video. Thank you for watching my video.